Jingle bells.
Once upon a time, in a bright green forest, there lived a clever little fox. He loved to walk and explore every day. One sunny morning, he heard a sweet voice. High up in the tree, a tiny bluebird was singing happily. The fox smiled and called out, "Hello, little bird. Your singing is so beautiful. Will you come down and sing for me? I have tasty fruits to share." The little bird chirped and said, "Thank you, Mr. Fox, but I feel safe up here. I love singing where I feel happy and safe." The fox tried again, "Come down, and everyone will clap for you." But the wise bird just flew even higher, singing her sweet song in the sky. The fox watched and thought, "The little bird is right. Peace and safety are better than just praise." And he smiled. Soon, all the forest friends cheered for the little bird's wisdom. And everyone learned a happy lesson that day. The moral of the story is, always choose your safety and happiness over praise or prizes.